Y'all didn't tell me quarantine birthdays were this lit. Yo, shut up. Hey, I said it. Spread it. These cute on me. Ooh. Oh, she got it. Oh, hers is pretty. Oh. When people can't fight, that's why they pick you up. Boo is here, baby. Do you see that? Tell me you see the detailing. Oh my God. Like, and this, it just makes me so happy. I'm 29 today. Like,
That's just how I'm living.
okay, the doorbell is ringing, so y'all know what that means. My wig stylist is here, and I got too much brightness. I get special treatment. I didn't have to even leave my house to go get my wig installed. Like, good morning.
Good morning, girl. Who braids? Those braids, they look good.
Girl, this lady nice supportive, mom.
Good morning.
I'm gonna get my wig installed.
Good morning.
Good morning, sweetie.
Go.
When people can't fight, that's why they pick you up. Get out.
Thank you, T. Oh, it's heavy. It's for now? Okay. She said it's for now, so here you go. Hold my new camera, flip the screen down to yourself. Step over to my office, pause that in the background. This is my first, boomerang Instagram.
Oh, I was gonna be first.
I ain't about who first, it's about who got the best gift. We already know this me.
I don't think it's focused. It's not focused.
The camera's supposed to autofocus.
It'd be wrong.
Stay right here. Stay right
You
here.
just bought it. What is wrong with
Hold
for?
up. It's the light.
All the tech videos I watch steady ROMs more than the Mark II.
Well, what you buy that for? You should have stayed for what you had.
Okay, it's focused.
You know, Dominique retarded though. She's slick, don't even know how to
There you go. Looks better now.
Boomerang it.
We need to go finish the kitchen again. That was me.
You wanna go kitchen?
I'll stand later. I'm always late posting stuff. I like to take my time typing my text on the screen. I'm gonna guess that it's round and will come all the way up to here.
It is not right.
Maybe
It is something round.
soda or
I got more stuff.
it's something beauty related.
Probably
Body swash or something. And I don't know, this flat, I don't know. Shoes. Okay, let's go one by one.
Foot fetish, foot fetish.
Foot fetish community. We starting the vlog off right for y'all. No, I'm kidding. So these are Garbella.
Why she always so funny?
Oh my God, look at the detail on this shoe.
A wide heel so you can walk.
Get in on
It should go with your outfit for today.
Bring us down here.
Hope you can fit it. Let's see, did I get it right? And I did, people.
Oh, baby!
That is it.
Sir! Oh, I like. Mom, you okay? Let's put on the other one while we unbox the rest of our things.
That's pretty. I picked them out.
I always make a mess.
I just got her help. I just asked her, did she like them? Mar tried them out to see if you could feel
Yeah,
it.
me, I'm up close in size.
Can you walk in it though?
If she got in that heel,
I can walk in this.
You probably can't, cause I need to see, cause you can't walk in it.
And the category is
Pose.
Realness. Is that how you walk, girl? No, wait. I just played.
Let me checking them.
oh, you can wear that with your jumpsuit.
What jumpsuit?
They're like pose.
Jumpsuit.
Oh! I needed some more bath bombs for my bath bombs jar.
And they are
It's not
Dr.
full.
Teals.
I got the Dr. Teal's Lavender
Bath bombs on your
Essential
wish list.
Ultra Moisturizing Bath Bomb. I did have this on my wish list on Amazon. Thank you, T.
And you had that on your wish list too.
Mineral Salt Scrub. This is the coconut moisturizing and nourishes mineral salt
Scoot up, scoot up. Can you do this?
Thank you, T.
Can you do this?
Oh my goodness. Okay, let's put my heels on. And now we're gonna go back to getting my wig installed, folks. That's gonna be a separate video, so stay tuned.
Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy. This damn former kind of hurt. Them teeth white though. Chip.
You got up too fast. You, hey, excuse you, did I say you can eat my stuff?
Yeah. Oh, that's too white behind me.
Okay, that's better.
Should I go brighter with it?
Nope, because it's already bright right there.
I gotta wear my shirt when I do sponsor
What time you
videos, so
want?
y'all know who
Forget
I
your
am.
bar.
And I'm about to beat my face.
And you finna be 30.
I'm 20 now. Everybody be like, you finna be 30.
So what she has some
That's
black
all I've
rubber
been hearing.
band?
I just got mascara on my dress. This shapewear doing me right since I didn't get to go to the gym all month because of a car accident. Oh my God, I'm making it worse. No!
Started crying, bro.
I got mascara on my dress. Dad just gave me this. I didn't even see all of this. Oh, look. To have a daughter is to have sweet memories of raising her and great hopes for her future. To stand back and be amazed at the strong, capable woman.
Girl, but that's just the first card he said.
Yep.
That on the back.
Oh.
No, that's all later.
To have a daughter like you.
Cause she cuffed it.
You don't need to see it, just know it's in my hand.
Let us
To
see.
have a daughter like you is to know great joy, deep pride, and a lifetime of love. Wishing you a wonderful birthday. Happy birthday. Put God bless you your day. Oh, shook, man. Yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Girl, that's crazy, man.
ready.
Crazy.
Ready. Hey, I said it. Ready.
All right now.
Can we get on with the other ones, please?
Okay, we're doing the whole gift unboxing.
Yes, come
the
on.
family.
Okay, I want that on the T7i then. Alright, then might we'll keep it going then.
Get this T7.
I want the T7i.
Okay.
You said it.
Okay.
My phone finna die anyway.
Okay.
Let's
Let's check your message.
I see 22 messages in the group that I missed.
The last one I just sent you.
In my text messages?
Yeah.
Yes, if I see him, you see him.
She got an Android.
Man, I ain't gonna lie, I really should have got you an Avon. Enjoy your Red Lobster, man.
She did.
The first
I ain't
picture
gonna
on
find
your
no time
wish
soon,
list,
For real.
that one was shoes.
Outside trip.
Yeah.
Bessie
They
Johnson
gonna
is
make it, so I
amazing.
just said I'll say
Amazon.
Oh, thank you, sweet pea.
So you don't know what was on your wish list.
Girl, let me show you.
I can't remember none of
It's a
this.
Ford Escape, man.
Boomerang me with my gifts before all the bags
You got
get
right.
ruined.
It'd be perfect. You want me to be ready?
Boomerang me with my stuff.
Alright, boomerang, go.
Oh,
Here you go.
what was it? I didn't get to. What is that? No, that's not how you do it.
The wrong
Look
person
at this
turned the boomerang.
boomerang. Look at it. What is this? What kind of Brian, this is not a boomerang.
You took 5 hours to get ready already. I've been back to sleep for see.
You gotta hold the phone slowly. Quit playing with that
Broke
hand.
arm in the jack with a limp like a pimp. Come on, you ready?
Don't wiggle it. No.
Bro, I said, I don't know how to do nothing. You got the wrong person.
Big old boo.
Come on, Jamil.
What is that? Y'all. Oh my God.
That's how you hold on the regular though.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, she opened one of mine first. Okay, yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
I was boomerang.
You are.
You boomerang her picking it up, so.
No. Delete that.
You gotta let me know when you finna move. It has to be one move and stop.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Ain't do it.
What's in there?
It says
Cold?
somewhere
Yeah.
wrong. This is Reagan said Android. 1,
Yeah, the Android's got
2, 3. All right.
Save it. Don't post
You
it.
ain't do it right. You ain't do it right. You picking it up too slow.
Now that's a boomerang.
Alright,
That
what?
was a boomerang.
Put my bill down there.
That's her snack bag.
You
milk
Oh,
chocolate.
Maria, hold up, pause.
Oh my
It's on my feet.
We're gonna take a look.
Cry baby.
Wasn't right.
Counsel. My mama, counsel. Cry baby.
I got an edible arrangement. Let me get the door. Oh, she didn't bring it out yet. She just rang the doorbell. Let's see.
What is it?
She's getting it. She just rang the doorbell. Oh, she's getting it, I guess.
Brian, put this back.
Okay. Stay.
Oh.
Hi, yes,
I
Destiny.
love this from Martha.
Thank you so much. Woo!
Oh,
You're lucky. Happy birthday to the sweetest person I have encountered on this journey. I hope you have a great day. Nobody signed it. Edible arrangement. My mama took 2 days to finish hers. I'm gonna finish mine in a whole day because I do this. Really do this. Hold on. It's got a 2 on it.
Oh, you too? You a toddler now?
It's got a, I think that's the 9, but it don't got a hole right there.
So you 2? So you 20?
Either way, I got an edible arrangement. And now we're gonna finish opening my gifts. So this is my snack. This is my snack baggie. It's signature in our family to gift a snack bag. So this one will have all of my snacks in it. I should come closer, huh? I got Wet Your Whistle. Oh, they got me Dillard's natural spring water. That's classy.
Your bag is for mom.
Classy. It don't say on the thing. What y'all flavor none of this? I got 2 bags of that. Oh no, wait, this different. This one is the Shop and Sip natural spring water. Dove milk chocolate peanut butter. Russell Stover mint patties and fine chocolate.
Oh, yes.
Oh, this is a big box. Ooh. Ooh. Aromatique. The smell of spring, handcrafted candle. Oh, so sweet pea. Oh, she said, I picked it.
It matched the wax burners. They same scent. Those, that's the same
That's pretty.
scent.
Look at the packaging. Oh, I gotta adjust it.
Okay. They're gonna find out.
Okay, I can't. It's not showing y'all. Never mind. Thrifted. Re-gift.
Show them all there on the Dollar Tree. Show them the wax.
Oh man, the candle is from Dillard's though, y'all. We just-
Along with the wax burners that have
And the water. The water's for Dylan.
Why is she along with the aroma wax melts? I have the matching candle and the wax melts. Also, that's about Dollar Tree. Oh, my favorite! I got Skinny Pop butter. I got Muncho's potato crisps. Okay. Oh, this is the one.
Oh, you need to open that up. Oh, you gotta open it.
I opened it on vlog
Okay.
already. And
Not
this
the
one,
line, though.
Oh.
She got them on, you
the
guys.
shoes that I'm wearing
Uh-huh.
were in that one.
Uh-huh.
Put this on Boomerang.
Okay.
She don't want to post it on me.
Oh. Okay.
You can film it. Yeah, she can post her stuff. It's fine. Go ahead.
Oh, you gonna tell her.
Okay.
I mean, it's a mother. That's different.
Okay.
Do I want that warm thing on? They play so much. I'm gonna come back to this. Let's do this.
All right, be quiet.
She gonna be
That's
mad.
not me.
She gonna be mad when she edit.
And I need my bag back.
Okay, this one is for I am gonna start letting it roll. I don't like much editing.
That's all about him.
She said, "Boom said it's over for shit."
That's
And after that, I need my bag back.
Ain't nobody feeling mine from y'all. Must go plan on tagging me on Instagram or something.
Yeah, wait.
Should be
You
alright.
better take Brian
I'm
Paul.
gonna put Brian out.
Yeah, for your mama screenshot.
Okay, so this one is for Boom. Oh no, Boom, no.
Don't give me that
That's
face.
some Gucci.
Cry.
Ah, got my leg!
I'm gonna wait for you over there. Hold on.
I keep forgetting.
She fell on his leg.
Dominique, why you hit that thing so late?
It's wrapped tight.
Back after these.
It is. That's
I want a boomerang like this one.
One, two,
it right?
Oh, I got
That nigga talking about some.
Oh, I got a good one. Look.
Girl, please.
Leave it to y'all mama to get it right. Go on, sweet pea. Tag me in
Don't play. Don't play. Don't play.
I got it right too.
No, I'm not
Alright.
tell you how I do already.
You type it and type my name.
First.
This is from my little sister Boom, aka D-Side, aka Ben Get Money, aka Part 1. Oh my gosh, Chanel Boom.
We can get it from
Oh
you.
dear. I
Say
can't
what? Don't.
Jules did not sponsor this. Shout out to Boom.
Edit that out.
We
It's
edited
been a big collab of stick.
I can't.
Hard time.
Yeah, they not
What I do to tell you? That type of line.
Oh no! Oh my god! Okay, this is the Cocoa. Oh goodness, I wanted this so bad.
Coco, I wanted this so bad.
I wanted this so bad. This is the Coco Mademoiselle Parfum, the big one. Oh my goodness! And this is the body cream. I didn't know they had body cream. D-Side. D-Side got class. Look.
Jamil good. What Jamil like? Come on.
Like Dominic.
Cocoa Mademoiselle and the body butter, but I still didn't turn it down enough, so.
Let me shut this out.
Oh my goodness. I'm sitting this in this box in the back of my YouTube background. Okay. What's she? My bag.
Give them that bag back.
Get too many Z's. Let me just smack all.
Okay, let's open this one. Who is this from?
Oh, that is from me also.
To Destiny from Mom.
Yeah.
Y'all gave what you
Oh, it's in here.
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
gonna throw it.
What a bag from?
That's for your foot fetish community.
Okay, little Spanish community. You ruined it before I barely look at the gift. She just literally tell me what everything is. All right, inside of that one you have, like we may as well go to Red Lobster at this point. Okay, so I got tons of anklets, like tons and tons of them. I've been trying to find them. Where you get these?
Mother's nowhere.
Oh my goodness. I have to do B-roll on everything. That way I can just keep going. Lots and lots. Oops.
That's not some whipped cream over there. Come on.
We got
It's about the same.
spread, okay?
Yeah, no.
Spread. Also in here.
Okay, now she gonna like it.
I'm saying you finna tell me every time.
That's the good one right there.
The other one not so much. I'm getting hot from the cellophane. Okay, in this one, what we got, sis, what we got? Oh, y'all getting me. Oh, this ᶫᵒᵛᵏ line.
What's that?
No, it ain't.
That's Tracy.
Tracy. My bad, Tracy.
Where you get that from?
Pattern. Clarifying shampoo.
She's about Bruce Black.
This ain't available at the British Supply. This is available at Hold on, y'all ain't tell me my bra. This is the because your hairstyle is not complete if your edges are not on fleek. I got the edge control by Pattern as well as the clarifying shampoo. Hair routine with these coming soon. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. Thank you, Slippy.
Okay, I got another bag over there.
Okay then. Oh, it's that treat yourself. And y'all know that's what we do all the time. Okay? This is from my mom as well. If y'all like not new to my channel, then y'all know I'm always talking about treating yourself and pampering yourself and all of that. So I like this bag. First off, Sweet Pea, all the sparkles. You don't want your bag
Can you do
big.
your
That's a
infamous?
Christmas one.
My infamous.
Got it. Right.
Okay.
Christmas.
This is not a Christmas bag. It's like treat yourself. I'm gonna throw confetti again. Put the song on there. It's a song that say your confetti ain't even heavy. Look for that one when y'all do it. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. Oh, she got it! Oh, hers is pretty!
Oh!
See, we get it. See, look, that what happened when you get an iPhone.
Tag me in it. Vince Camaro.
Don't play.
Y'all got class. 29. Which birthday was that when we everything after that was gonna be class. Yeah, post whatever y'all
I should have got you your high school picture in the frame.
Shut up! Why would I want that ugly picture of me? You and Julie love doing petty, so you must try to say I look ugly. Vince.
Come on, catch your face expression on this one.
She recording.
Okay.
I don't know what my thumbnail gonna be. Listen, just click. It's my 29th birthday. Do I gotta try hard? Oh, she gave me the receipt.
Because it's the wrong
Destiny from your mother. That's all I need.
size.
Oh, y'all know what I like. Look at these.
So expensive everyday shoes.
Oh my God, these are gorgeous.
Beauty supply.
I'm so sick of y'all. These are not the beauty supply. Look.
Walmart.
Girl, these are gorgeous. Do y'all see these? And my feet not gonna hurt. I could pull IKEA in these. First off, like thick. You know when your feet flat to the ground, your feet start hurting.
DD discount.
These are cute.
Can I tell you something? You gotta edit it out.
What I gotta edit out?
Well, picked them. She said.
Try on. Oh, I did good.
Feet hanging off the junk. Make sure you got a size 7, size 7.
Could have went up one. It's a perfect fit. These cute on me. Oh my.
The big toe hanging off.
Send me $100 and I will send you a picture of her feet.
I was selling her
Go up one.
Yeah, I go with one. Just one.
No,
Cause you
flip-flop
got your
waist
toe a
fit.
little bit.
These look good, Sweet Pea.
Swoopy got some tape.
I could wear
Who
these
wants some Nike
today.
flip flop?
Got that so you won't be like your mama had planted for some.
Plantar fasciitis.
That's a fancy word.
I think I open everything behind us. All right, we got the
Why
cover
got
up.
the music on?
It'll run a hyperlapse on it. It's fine. Pop right up there for a second. Stay. I went ahead and ordered a tripod for my new camera. This is Canon Mark III. I'm kind of posting out of order. Like in my mind, I know the order of what I'm posting my content. But I did film when I got it, so that vlog is coming. If y'all haven't seen the vlog with me going to get it yet, I'm probably posting out of order. I don't know. But either way, I had went ahead and ordered the tripod, and it's super small. Like the whole setup, much more convenient. So this is it. It's by ᶫᵒᵛᵉᵧ. I always update my Amazon storefront. This will be in the YouTube equipment category. So when I'm vlogging, I guess I'll improvise by showing it with the Mark II. This will be my new setup now. The legs can pop out like convenient. I'm glad I already gave the disclaimer on that Mark because I ain't gonna be explaining it all vlog. I can let the height out and I can press it down, or it doesn't have to go all the way up. I can put it here, I can put it there. I'm living. I'm over my frontal. We know it's a wig. I'm over it. Enjoy the vlog, okay? We edit our Instagram pictures anyway, so yep, I said it. So I'm just sitting here while I got some free time trying to keep up with all of these posts because they disappear in 24 hours. I mean, it's been nowhere near 24 yet, but I don't know, I'm just enjoying seeing what everybody is sharing on my Instagram. Trying to save my appetite for Red Lobster, make sure my address isn't showing. Ooh. And snack on it while we sit here. I got 26 things to share on my Instagram story. 26, that's love. That's love. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, what?
Wow, 26 things to share. People been tagging me, telling me happy birthday and stuff. And Dominique dedicated her whole Instagram to me today. Look at me. My Facebook jumping too. They show me love on Facebook. I'm probably not typing like on the screen for all of these, but I'm trying to repost everybody. I love this card. I literally got 8 hours to film on this card. 8 hours it says. I don't know how it says 8 hours, but that's what it says. So I'll take that off so no one sees my dress. And we're gonna boomerang her. Dad going with us to Red Lobster too?
He was. I said, I hope he went home with the bed. Gonna be me and you.
Oh, that's fine. If you wanted to just be us. Be right back. Let's open it. Let's open it. While we wait to go to dinner, because I haven't had anything to eat today. Yeah. Give me. Which one we want? Oh, which one we want? Look at the 2 and the 9.
Oh, there's a hole in it.
Yeah, they didn't put a hole in the 9, but I get the point. I appreciate it. It's still a cute look. It's still cute. You can't tell me otherwise. Get in there. I'm finna pull the 2 and the 9 up some so I can, oops, I just pulled it off the thing. So I can get it better for Insta before I devour it. I got y'all on my cute little tripod thing. This one's away.
Oh, we got to sit there waiting on me. I'm just about to call you now.
Wonder why this one is
Yeah,
this
you like
one.
your gifts?
I love my gifts. Thank you, sweet pea.
Girl, you telling me we going with this one?
When I open what?
Oh, Dom, let me tell you what Dominique did when I got this.
What she do?
Put hers back. She said, oh no, we live together. We live in the store.
You know what? I'm over it. I'm over trying to make these numbers be seen. Now we just gotta boomerang it. Follow me on Instagram. I work hard to post my Instagram stories for y'all. For real.
You got a lot of gifts. One more birthday and we done.
Hello 29 is what I'm gonna put on the screen. Cursive pretty letters. Make it bigger. And then I want it to be red. That. This is gonna be a long vlog. You only get a birthday once a year. Enjoy the vlog. Grab some snacks. I might not even edit it. Everything may just run.
Open your gifts and stuff.
Okay, so I made it cute. Gotta hide my face. He likes to focus on faces. It's fine. Follow me on Instagram. You would have seen it. Sounds harsh. I didn't mean to sound harsh saying it. Search my gifs for birthday. I ain't put music to none of my other stuff because I've been trying to post it so fast. I like Stevie Wonders.
You know what? Tell me that pour a shoebox.
Happy birthday. Let's get a chocolate one. Chocolate one. That's an apple. Oh, that's good.
There's one of that big one.
With the sprinkles on it.
Eat that.
It's not gonna take me 2 days.
Eat that one.
The big one?
So we too lazy to eat that big one.
I don't play no games. It ain't gonna take me 2 days. It's so convenient.
What?
This little tripod. It's everything.
Look, we go around and pick up your cake when you done.
I got a cake.
Yeah, one ready at 3 o'clock.
Okay. Oh, I got a cake, y'all.
Trying to remember what I ordered.
I got a cake. She don't remember where she ordered it, but I got a cake. YouTube likes colors.
Yeah, I was in Memphis TN.
I don't even want a filter. I look cute. I ain't even gonna use a filter. Don't even worry about it. Boomerang me eating my fruit. Y'all wanna help me pick my fruit out?
How many pair of shoes did you put on there?
Probably too many.
Oh, you put more than 2 pairs?
Yeah. Like 3, I think. Got the battery. It's full. My phone probably not full. 37%. I got a car charger. It's cool. There's my cake. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Look at it. Kim. It's so pretty.
You like it, but
I love it, sweet
I designed
pea.
it.
We just got
I told the lady, I said, can I design my own cake? Cause my
You
daughter
did a good
29,
job, sweet pea.
And I don't really want no
We got
cake.
heels on it. We got some, what is that, like music, a pretty corset, the cursive writing. I was cutting the camera on to tell y'all that my mom popped back up. It's just roaming.
You just don't let it fall.
I was just sitting here replying to you all on the comments.
You can't get your last gift.
We finna get another gift?
Yo, all your Avon
see that
stuff
on
I
me.
ordered.
She done ordered me a bunch of Avon. Yes, ma'am.
Stuff twice because that stuff wasn't going away.
On the thing,
I ordered your Avon stuff from her.
for real.
So other people might have done that too, man. Dominique was saying.
I said it lets you do like the don't spoil my surprises, and there was some other option on there, and that's the one that I had checked. I think I checked for.
Because Dominique, we were trying to say, is it a way we can let people know if we bought
Oh
something?
man! So the stuff wasn't disappearing.
Well, I didn't buy the shoes from Amazon because they said you couldn't get them to October.
I thought
And I said, I ain't trying to get her no receipt. She got to wait till October. So Dominique said we can go straight to the site. So that's why we bought the shoes from the site.
Yeah.
Then the
Roll
Avon
it pretty
stuff was saying something crazy too. So I said, I know a lady that sell Avon.
We're in the rental car, by the way. I think, like I said, my vlogs are probably going to be out of order. I'm over with like the portions of my lace that's not like all the way late. It's my birthday. I'm not going to allow anything to have me stressed out.
Is that you in that black
That's
jersey?
what it is. This is as cute as
Yeah. That's me. I'm going to pull over there.
That's that.
Birthday girl.
Hey.
picked up our cake. Show me vine on your cake.
Oh yeah, I can. Hold on, y'all. Be right back. I don't like the way the lighting is making it look like I'm two different tones. Y'all want to know something fun fact? I forgot to put on highlights, so this glow is from within, sis. Yes. Ooh, the battery blinking. I'm glad I brought the other one. Thank you. If y'all need Avon in Memphis, hit her up. I'm gonna put her information on the screen and in the description box down
and y'all see, she will come and meet you. She got you. She'll get your order for you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness. Okay, let's open it. Oh, I'm using all this tonight. Hold on, y'all, because they still talking. We be back. Okay, good. Yeah, I can put this in the... Come on, focus. Let me make it focus. Thank you.
Enjoy the rest of y'all.
There we go.
Where y'all going? You said y'all going to the cruise.
I just tried to consistent.
Backstory on the Avon. I had Avon on my Amazon storefront because I made it like for family and friends to see all my stuff, and I was like, oh, okay, Destiny might want this. But what was the story with Avon? You
couldn't get it, or it was out of stock.
It was either out of stock or it was gonna come
on the Amazon side.
like October. But the day that I made the wish list, well, you know how Amazon is. If you didn't get it the exact day that I made the wish list, then the days got pushed back further than that. So my mom reached out to her friend who sells Avon, and we got this. So this is the bath oil. Y'all know we're gonna do routines with all this stuff. Trust, okay? Hand cream. This is the, yeah, Boone got me some cream too. I didn't even know they had that. The Chanel, I can't wait to wear that. This is also, oh, this is the new line, she said. Okay. This is the Comforting Shea body butter, the body lotion. Cannot wait to use all of this. And I got a book right here if I want to order more stuff. I'll put her information in the description box, and it should have already been on the screen as well. Now we're off to, what's next? Take my cake back home?
Take the cake home to Red Lobster.
Cake home and Red Lobster. So put y'all seatbelt on. I'm actually about to put this cake in my lap, and I'll talk to y'all in a minute. My mom used to, what's the proper word for it? My mom was a pastry, once you have a license for that, you always got it, right? Pastry chef, okay? Like probably when I was like a little girl, I think, right? Or was it before I was born? When I was a little girl.
Were you born? Think it back. Yeah, you were born.
Yeah, I was born. Yeah, pastry chef. So she didn't flip through the book to like, oh, give me that one. Basically, she kind of told the lady like, do a little bit of this, a little bit of that, blah, blah, blah. And this is that. I'll wait when we unbox it and I'll show y'all. But I wanted to give y'all the backstory while my mom was in the car. I got Avon, I got a cake. I'm about to go to Red Lobster. We lit. And y'all get to tag along. Look, I ain't even bother dealing with these little bitty two little nails. We'll do that some other time. This man on a motorcycle is waving. You know how you drive down little wooded two-lane streets only? We made it basically to the end of that two-lane little wooded street, and this man on a motorcycle, we had to stop at the stop sign, so he's on the other side going the opposite direction, waving for us. I mean, my mama wasn't about to stop anyway, so I didn't have to tell her not to. And she like, time's too dangerous for that now. I agree, I'm like, time's too dangerous to be stopping for some man on a motorcycle. So now we gotta keep going in a different direction from where we were actually about to go, so that he doesn't see where we're pulling up to and try to come back on us. Basically, we gotta circle the block, but yeah. Alrighty, y'all, just finished taking my pictures outside. Now we're in Red Lobster. I guess she'll tell us where she is. Chalmers. She's already seated.
Look around and see if you see her. Okay. We don't have a list of people that's already set.
Thanks. Gotta find her. I'm going to one side. Dominique's going to the other side. Dominique found her. There she is. Let's see right here because the window is facing me. No, we can see wherever you want. I have to sit this way because the window is right there, which gives me good lighting.
That's just how I'm living. Money and pretty women. Hotness and fitness.
This is pretty picture. I'm waiting to take my picture with my food. Coconut shrimp. We can. Coconut shrimp. What kind of sauce is this? I wonder. I'm gonna dip it in this sauce and we'll find out together. The sauce got a little bit of spice to it, and I don't got my soda yet. It's hot.
Okay, come on.
I don't want to cough. People gonna think I'm coughing because COVID. The sauce just hot.
Let me see.
I ain't gonna dip in the sauce again.
Go.
Look her trying to do boomerang. All the pictures y'all gonna see on Instagram in this outfit are courtesy of Dominique, and she didn't mind getting like lots and lots and lots of them. I was annoying her like, okay, a few more. Shout out to T for that. Our plates may be ready. Our mom waited inside. I mean, you gotta have the birthday pictures, right? We left our bags at the table. I hope they know we was already in here. Food is here, baby. Food is here. Yes. Bless.
Okay. These plates are a little hot.
Y'all know I'm happy now. I got crab legs, so y'all know I'm happy now. I got crab legs, so y'all know I'm happy now. I got crab legs. Yeah, y'all know I'm happy now. I got crab legs. It's my birthday vlog. There should be no corrections made in the comment section. Cause I'm 29 now.
I got
what, you want me to film your food I did, Brian?
Yeah.
Your screen cloudy. First off, which camera is it? You got 3 of them.
Instagram do that one.
You come close to it. See if you like it. Look, I had to show her how to do this. Let's crack a leg together, shall we?
Oh, I hit the X.
I refilm it. Got my butter to the side. And pan out of it, and boom. Let's crack this leg.
And let me put my dreamy music on here so they can dream about it.
What kind of dreamy music you use? Because I want to use that.
I use the little soft words.
Lately, when I finish putting my words and stuff on the screen, I hand my phone to Boom, and I'll be like, put some music on here. Whatever she pick, I'll be cool with it.
But like you, me, and Boom, I've been saying this for months.
To take photos.
A real professional photo shoot.
I've been saying that. I said we need an updated photo.
It's me, her, and Boom.
We need a whole family.
We do right now.
I just want yeah, Lincoln ain't no family.
Lincoln, we don't have a family portrait, a full family portrait with Lincoln in it. I'm 29, y'all. That's a blessing.
But it ain't gonna show up.
You gotta tell them 3 hours early. They ain't sliding. They ain't sliding. I mean, they ain't right when they don't slide. When we gon' slide. Ain't nobody around us.
Brad said, what y'all drinking?
Lemonade. My big brother said, I said, what y'all drinking? In the family group. Hey, Red. What we eating though? My big brother don't eat seafood, so he missing out. Look.
He like to.
Dad not here with me right now. Y'all know me and Dad crack legs together. I'm so happy right now. I have had a great birthday, y'all. A really great birthday. Next week.
Man, I'm sick of y'all.
No, it's the next Friday, the 24th.
And we get a break after that.
See why I took my pictures already? Because I'm going to get dirty.
Daddy.
And I'm going to be full, so I don't need
Then
nobody
Lincoln.
guessing.
No, Lincoln, then Daddy.
Crazy
Damn.
question.
I ain't, what we gonna get Lincoln? He ain't recording that with her.
We've all been getting a bite. We got it.
My butter.
What up, my lady?
My sister's so ratchet.
What you doing?
Y'all be talking about ratchet this.
Relaxing, what?
Yeah.
Where you with?
I'm stuffed. Finish my crab legs, of course. I personally don't like the way you do edges.
Guess what? You ain't got none. You gotta have some edges to do this because they can't be too thin where you try to.
You don't lay your edges though. You lay your whole front of your head.
I know. I like it like that.
I don't like this style.
Ask me, do I care? Please ask me. Ask me, do I care? Say, do you care?
Ask me if I click a thumbs down on your video.
I don't care. Guess what? Just
I'm just
interact.
playing.
I got that from B-side. Just interact.
I never click thumbs down on nobody. I click thumbs up as soon as I click on the video. Immediately. I didn't pour my dressing on my salad, thank goodness, so that'll be good. And I got a fish shrimp left. I'm full. Literally, this is the only thing I ate today. I had a pack of the Mott's fruit snacks. That's it today, so this is my only meal. I feel like I'm full fast because of it being my only meal, if that makes sense. Like you really want to eat, then when you finally do, you're like, But y'all know Red Lobster is the vibe. If you're not new here, then you know. My dad is on the phone. Well, it's gonna say hubby, but you know, I don't have a husband. This is my dad. He said, what you eat, child? You know, he had their up to me feast. Yeah, I ain't finished all my food. You know, I know I'm gonna finish almost all of it. I still got rice pilaf left, 1 shrimp. Well, no shrimp. 2 of the butterfly shrimp. A little bit of my baked potato and salad left. Okay, Dad. My daddy said, go on, knock it out.
I need a box over here.
I'm stuffed. Look at this. What is that? I'm gonna assume someone or something lived in mutualism with him, or parasitism, or commensalism. I don't know. I'm full, so I can't finish that one. I had my lobster, baby. I just thought about something I didn't share with you guys because it was my birthday. My bad. Normally we share a meal. I'm sure y'all will excuse me this time. Yeah, this is the latest we've ever been to Red Lobster. So I guess it's a different shift from the girls I'm used to. My mask, I keep forgetting. Look what happens to your mask when you have a makeup on the inside, but it's cool. Dominique said for people that leave the table dirty, you gotta tidy it up, of course. Look at the setup. Y'all, I'm so full and so glad I took my pictures before we ate. Oh, you're fine. You're fine. I can blur faces out when I edit. Yeah, I am. The All of Destiny. Let me see if I have a card. Hang on a sec. Yeah, I'll give you one.
What you think they're gonna be?
Oh, girl.
Nah, I edited it all before I post it. There you go. The URL is on the back.
Alright, I'm subscribed to you.
Thank you. Okay. You want to take a picture together, T? T tired. She said, nah.
You want me to get you?
You want a picture together, Mom?
I don't care.
Okay. Let's get one. Where you want to take it at? Okay. Well, I took mine with the greenery behind me.
Hold on,
I gotta get a light. I got to get a flashlight. My cash app still jumping. Yes, ma'am.
For real?
She just took off her ponytail. Mom, you finna take yours out too.
I put down how she snatched up.
How you get
like that?
Check out Dominique ๋Lachey on YouTube, guys, if you want to take your ponytail off immediately.
But you put them combs, you put
lift from the bottom.
Yeah, but I'm saying
This is our source of light.
I can't feel that.
My flashlight on my phone while I
So you
figure
ain't put them
out
on
what
right.
song I should use for this on Instagram.
I can tell what's on my head.
I'm so
can't feel
stuffed,
mine.
y'all.
Man, I don't feel it
So I
either.
need to show you.
I don't feel it because it's in my lap.
Talking to my mom. Like, look at this. I should put my Galaxy Buds in. Y'all always be like, why she holding their phone on her ear like that? I'm just used to it. It's quicker than grabbing my Galaxy Buds anyways. We trying to get a thumbnail. Hold on, Sweet Pea. Just in case I want it. Everything y'all did today. They said, you know you're welcome. It's so much to remember to do in one day. Whew. It's so hard to like post everything, say thank you to everybody. That's why my mom, she was telling me, she was just like, enjoy the day. People understand. The replying and everything is, I guess, once I'm settled in bed and scroll through my phone, and you know, once you're settled and situated. But I really thank y'all so much. Like, everybody's been showing me so much love on social media. I cannot even keep up, and it just makes me so happy. Like, I'm 29 today. Like, no. I could not be here right now. I don't want to mess up my face. My birthday not over yet. But I could not be here right now. Like, I was literally in a car accident 18 days before my birthday. June the 30th. And I'm like filming a birthday vlog like I'm okay. don't got a cast or nothing on me. Like, I ain't beat up. My bruises are healing. Like, I'm still alive, you know? Like, I'm just so happy. I mean, I don't look happy, but I'm happy. I'm just crying over my cake. Ain't nobody going to eat this. I need a minute. I just need a minute. My nephew on the phone. Say hey to the vlog, Lincoln. I ain't even see my nephew for my birthday.
He was busy.
He was busy.
Your birthday downstairs.
No, my birthday today, Lincoln.
Look, girl, he sung you happy birthday.
He sure did sing me happy birthday. My nephew sung happy birthday better than everybody else that sang me happy birthday. I just want y'all to know that. What's up, Mr. Lincoln?
Happy birthday.
Thank you, Lincoln.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mr. Destiny. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, Lincoln. She said she kept the samples for herself. Y'all see how a joker do it. What's up, Mr. Lincoln?
Look at my room, say.
I saw your room. It looks good.
Say I know.
I got a Chanel box in my hand. Oh my goodness.
My
I can't wait. I wanted this so bad. And I didn't even know this existed. And I want it too. More gifts just came. And I don't know why I keep crying. I just keep feeling like I just could have not been here, like, to celebrate my birthday, you know? I'm trying not to. I keep, like, putting my camera to the side when I get emotional because I don't like to do that. Or not like to do that as in not like to have my emotions, but like, I don't know, I just do that in private, I guess. I don't know. Either way, more gifts. Wait, where's my phone? The pressure to keep up. Like, a person could just start opening their stuff and then the mindset of, wait, where's my phone? Where's a camera? Where is, you see what I'm saying? Like, I'm gonna rebag it. And we gonna film it for Instagram later. I wanna see what it is. It's a lot in here. A whole lot. Oh no. What? This is ᶫᵒᵛᵉᵧ. I just got the perfume for myself. This is the ring light be killing me. It just say ᶫᵒᵛᵉᵧ. Oh snaps, the perfumed body lotion. This is the body lotion. Okay, okay. A gift for you. Look how this is. Enjoy your gift. Oh shucks, from okay. I did say your name, huh? Oh, Boom got me perfume too. What? Prada candy perfume. What? Y'all quit playing. I made that wish list like just laying in bed like I don't got nothing else to do, you know? Oh my god. A gift for you again. Enjoy your gift. I'm so happy. I'm sick of crying.
Look at her hair.
Huh?
Edges on 10.
Edges on messed up a little bit, but I just gave up because I didn't want to spend all day doing my hair and then not have a day at all. I don't know why I get so much emotional. It's like since the accident, when I do get emotional, it be towards the end of the night. I guess when I'm getting settled and it's just me or something, reflecting. Or the salads. That's why I'd be like, let me turn the TV or something on so it don't get so quiet. Thank you. Oh my God. I can't take all of this. I'm gonna be editing this like Destiny. Oh, this is the bag. This is the bag. Lay and Go Cosmo. Like when me and Boone filmed that Sister Does Each Other's Makeup videos, and I was trying to bag all my makeup up. With this, I won't open it right now, but you can lay all the makeup inside, lay everything in here that I need. Then you just pull the little string and it turns it into a bag. Then I just lay it back out. I was bored on Amazon. I was bored on Amazon laying down in bed. I wake up, take my medicine, and then just be in bed playing on Amazon. And I was like, I'm finna make a wish list. I don't want my happiness to come off as like because of things. Is it coming off like that?
Nah.
Cause I don't. Okay. Betsy Johnson. I like Betsy Johnson. She make good stuff. And her stuff is always pretty, like even down to the details. I know girls are like a sucker for packaging. I know. This sparkly, glittery is so cute. And then look at the blue bottoms. I've been wanting these since like last year. No. Oh my goodness. Oh, y'all gonna make me cry. Oh my God, let's see if you know what size I wear. 7.5. God, look at the detail on that buckle. Do you see the sparkle? Oh my goodness.
Big old diamonds on the heel.
Not because of like stuff. My subscribers know me. I don't even have to say stuff like that. I just could not be here. You know that? Like every time I've taken an Instagram story or something today, it's just been like, this ain't the first day I realized it. Like I could have just not been here. Let's see if she runs small or not. Oh, don't tell me I'm gonna need a different size. Oh, it's slim. Betsy. Oh, it's sexy. Look at that buckle. Get in on this buckle. I cannot. Oh, I cannot. It's been dark like that the whole time. Look at that. I think I might need an 8 though. Oh, it's squeezing me right there. It's fitting me though. I wonder if the 8 would slide. The detailing on the back. What? Are you kidding me? Do you see that? Tell me you see the detailing. I didn't even see this. Which bag was it in?
With the cologne perfume.
Was this stuff disappearing as you was making purchases?
That wasn't on there though.
This wasn't. It's a heart.
Yeah, I get that.
And a key. Oh, no. Oh my goodness. It's so cute. Look. This is too much. I'm just trying to soak it all in. I can't even keep up with my Instagram. This is why you gotta be subscribed to my YouTube channel, because it's my phone way back there somewhere. Over here, mind y'all, I ain't been to the gym. I haven't been cleared to go to the gym. My knees might give out on me or something. But listen, this is a strawberry cheesecake, he says. Let's bring it closer. Can I do it from here? You can see our dishes in the sink. Let's do it over here. This is a real life vlog. It's my birthday. I ain't washed dishes. Oh my God, that's me on there. What? No. What? I got 2 cakes. How am I eat all that. Who I'ma share all this cake with? The whole, that's me. That's me.
Yeah, shout out to sis. Gina made this. JY.
Oh my God. Thank you so much, Gina. Wow, this is gorgeous. Look at the detailing. I got 2 cakes. I got 2 cakes. Oh my God. Oh man, this is, 29 is lit. Look at this cake. What? Ignore my nails. You shouldn't be distracted by that. Look at this cake. Oh my God, like, and this, my bad, I was crying earlier. I forgot I didn't even show y'all the cake. My mama went off. Like, look at that though. Do you see that? Oh my goodness. We gotta sing happy birthday 2 times tomorrow because y'all didn't tell me quarantine birthdays were this lit. Like, this is crazy. They really gonna be asking me questions on Instagram now. Like, I'm not gonna look no kind of slim. If y'all see anything that just stick out just the slightest bit, delete the original question and just be like, she had 2 birthday cakes. Like, anything else you could assume, she had 2 birthday cakes, sis. That's all that is. I cannot resist. I already took the plastic off. I mean, we still have birthday things going on tomorrow, but I'm gonna stop this one here. Okay, today has been, I talk so much when my camera is off, and I realized what it is. Even for as long as I've been doing YouTube, communicating live with a person about expressing my feelings about something is different from knowing that at the same time I am still communicating with a person, because that's how I talk to the camera, as if I'm already talking to you guys. I mean, it's a little bit different. Long story short, this birthday has just been beyond beautiful. Super thankful, happy about this day, and I can't resist. Boom, like, I know Boom gonna be like, you need B-roll, this and that. I like unbagged everything, but I ain't really opened nothing. I gotta see what it smell like. I've been wanting too long to not see what it smell like. I can't go to bed and just not know what it smell like. It's beautiful. Oh my God. Boom. My little sister got class. Now mind you, this was on my wish list, but the reason it was on my wish list is because my little sister, like, she always compliments me. She's like, nah, you need to get the Coco Mademoiselle perfume. That's a good one. I didn't know anything about this perfume at all. She's the one that mentioned it to me, which was the reason it was on my wish list in the first place. I don't think she got it from my wish list though. I think she said the shipping wouldn't have been here in time for my birthday, so she got it in store somewhere. And she went so far as to like get the I'm finna smell oh so luscious. Ooh, and oh so good. Baby, this is classy, bougie, not ratchet at all. Wow, this smells good. That smells so mature. I can't even explain it. I smell a little bit of a peach. I don't even know the notes. I'm gonna put the notes over here. If it's right here, it means I felt like it in editing. This has been doing this all day, my bad. Wow, I couldn't go to bed without smelling this. I hope y'all don't get materialistic vibes from this vlog at all. It's more so about the person that it comes from, and we ain't even explaining none of that. Don't even worry about it. Y'all know me. If you're not new here, you know me. I'm finna go enjoy the rest of my edible arrangement.